Yeah, so then we squirt the water I revealed. Now we put it in the bottle with Halloween. And now squeeze it in. Drink. I think I'm not doing it. Is the diaper changing? Yeah. Our diaper has to change after this. I think we're just supposed to swap it in. Go home. And then I think we have got the sleeper. So I go see if your diaper changes. Wow. I think I need a little more water. No, I need more water. Hey, Mom. Give me a fork. Okay, we know what the problem is. We need to leave her flat. I'm gonna get her over here. Okay, got your bottle in? Drink up. She has to pretend this is kind of being. So this is kind of working so familiar. I was just pushing it down. Okay, up. Here. I'm gonna get you up to put your bottle in. Okay. Right down. You're drinking. I think this is the carrot baby. Okay, she drinks it all. Get more scoops a day. Little guy? Wait, there's a sprayer on here? Oh, I think we're supposed to spray it on here. So. Go. Has the spoon time diaper? This is how she works. I'm gonna take off her diaper. Now we are going crinkly. I'm not taking care of it. She looks so cute. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and all that. Baby won't subscribe, baby. Bye. Yeah.